Etar and Bozhentsi are two charming villages situated in central northern Bulgaria. They are open-air museums that preserve the authentic atmosphere and the architecture typical for the 18th and 19th centuries. They are both located close to the city of Gabrovo, which makes Gabrovo a suitable base for exploring the region. Welcome to episode 4 of the series Veliko Tarnovo and Beyond. In this video, I'm going to show you two of the most authentic places in Bulgaria, the Architectural Reserve Bozhentsi and the Ethnographic Museum Etar. I'm so excited to start my journey in Bozhentsi, a small village 15 kilometers away from Gabrovo, with a population of 36 inhabitants. This is a hidden gem of Bulgaria that preserves its ancient style and culture. I'm currently at the Architectural Reserve called Bozhentsi. It's like an open-air museum. You can see some old-style Bulgarian houses nestled in the skirts of the mountains. It's very beautiful and romantic. Not much to do over here, but if you have a romantic partner, probably it's a good idea to come to spend the night in one of those houses. Most of them are hotels actually, or you can come for lunch or for dinner. In any case, it's nice to explore this small village. I think you need probably less than 1 hour to walk around. Bozhentsi is not only a picturesque village, but also a valuable cultural heritage site. It was declared an architectural reserve in 1964 and is part of UNESCO's list of cultural monuments. The village maintains the authentic atmosphere and architecture from the time of the Bulgarian national revival, when it was a prosperous trade center. Many years ago, when I visited Bozhentsi, I went on a horse riding tour. The club no longer exists, but there are other ways to enjoy the nature, such as hiking, biking, or camping. You can explore the village, you can visit the museum, the church, the houses, and the workshops of the local craftsmen. You can also taste the cuisine and wine of the region. So basically they're all the same. They look the same, the houses. It's very peaceful. If you are seeking peace and quiet, this is the place for you. After this, we visit Etar, or Etera as it is pronounced in Bulgarian. This is an ethnographic open-air museum near Gabrovo. It showcases the traditional crafts and lifestyle of the Bulgarian people during the 18th and 19th centuries. The entrance fee for adults is 10 leva or 5 euros. This is an example of what old Bulgarian villages looked like, and you can also see the crafts. So it's very interesting. Let's go and explore it. Etar was established in 1964 as the first museum of its kind in Bulgaria. It was proclaimed a national park in 1967 and a monument of culture in 1971. The museum exhibits over 50 objects of historical and architectural value. You will see various workshops, houses, water mills, a clock tower, a restaurant, a church, and other buildings that depict the culture and history of the region. Over here you can see a cutlery workshop transferred from the village of Nova Mahala, today a neighborhood of Gabrovo. This is from the early 19th century. I'm getting closer to the village square with the clock tower, which is a symbol of the social and religious life of the villagers during the Bulgarian national revival, because the clock indicated when it was time to work, pray, or rest. This is the clock tower, which is locked, so it's to be admired from far away. So Etar is only about 7 kilometers away from Gabrovo, and you can come here by public transport. There is a bus number 10 that comes here. If you don't have much time and you want to explore the whole area, you can probably negotiate with a taxi driver to take you to both Bozhentsi and Etar. We have reached the main street where you can explore most of the traditional crafts. So here they make the icons. Let's have a quick peek at the icon painting studio. They're very beautiful. So this one is about 250 euros. The smaller one. The smaller ones are cheaper. This is interesting. Shikirjia is a master of confectionery, crafting delicious and delicate sweets by hand. One of their specialties is sujuk, which is not to be confused with the sausage or salami of the same name. This sujuk is a sweet treat made from sugar and nuts shaped into long and thin strands that resemble ropes. It's a traditional delicacy in Bulgaria and other Balkan countries, often enjoyed with coffee or tea.
Това е вече лошо.
Добре. This is something to do with horses. Here they produce musical instruments like a bagpipe. Bagpipes are often associated with Scotland, but they are also played in other countries and regions such as Ireland, Spain, France, and Bulgaria. Let's discover the art of pottery making, a craft that engages your entire being. You use your hands, legs, fingers, water, and soil to shape and mold the clay into beautiful forms. I was eager to try pottery making as they offered the chance to do so, but there was a huge crowd of people waiting and I missed the opportunity. This is a drill. In the next episode, you will see me walking around Gabrovo, a town in Bulgaria that is known for its humor and crafts. You will see some of the attractions of the town, but I will mainly focus on discovering the streets and the spirit of Gabrovo.